what he did. Grab some of this ice cream.
Ice cream, ice cream, and ice cream. Yeah. What is that?
It's a turtle, Ethan, with goggles.
Oh, look, it's Choodle.
How splendid it is to see you once again. I'm Lord Leopold, and I had the pleasure of meeting so many of you beautiful people. Let me ask you a question. Have you had fun in our kingdom? We have all enjoyed meeting every single one of you. Now, before our guest of honor arrives, well, I have a little surprise up my ruffled sleeves for all of you. I've brought along some of our dearest friends to say hello. Would you like to meet them? I'm not convinced. Would you like to meet them? Oh, very well. Here we go then. Please welcome first the princess with courageous kindness, Princess Cinderella. Up next, the princess who's my favorite chef and the belle of the bayou, Princess Tiana. And of course, up next is the adventurous Miss Rapunzel. Why, it's Moana! Oh, watch out! It's the Gallant! It's the Gregarious! Why, it's Goofy! We're over here, Goofy. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's fabulous, isn't that Daisy? And felicitations to our fearless feathered firecracker. It's #1 Donald Duck! Jingle trail feathers. And of course, here he comes. It's the big cheese himself. It's Captain Mickey Mouse! Oh, and she's on her way. Oh, it's the master of the maps, commander of the kingdom. It's your captain. It's Minnie Mouse! All of our friends are aching to take a few final portraits with all of you. So please, come and attend next to Mickey and Minnie, right next to Rapunzel and Moana, right on the front here. Ooh, Tiana, she'll be on our vestibule. Wow! Cinderella, she'll be behind the stairs. Not cleaner, she's moved on from that, of course. And Donald, he'll be right at the back. And Daisy, she'll be by the dungeon. I mean the kids' club. How naughty. Goofy will be upstairs on deck 4, along with Pluto on the opposite side. And here's a little secret between me and you. Up on the balcony, there's a prince or two. How splendid! 15 minutes filled with fun. And remember, everyone, once you've taken your portraits, don't go anywhere. You have to make one more wish together. Now remember, 15 minutes filled with fun. Are you ready? Then let the portraits commence. Ta-ta!
Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight.
Greetings, good gentles all. I am Lord Leopold, one of the fairy tale players here in the Grand Hall. Tonight, we have gathered once more to light that wishing star, and together turn our stories from a once upon a time into a wishing ever after. And what incredible stories you've made with all of us. Let's recall it, shall we? Who among you have sailed the sea-faring scoundrels and joined a crew of rocking pirates? Everyone say, yo-ho! Very silly. I have marvelous tales of heroism. Who among you have assembled with the mightiest of heroes in our domain? Say, Avengers, assemble! Avengers, assemble! Yes, the heroic gods. And I have loved your anecdotes all the way from the anime. Who among you have dined and sat along with our royal sisters? I believe I must name Yoo-hoo is an author. And how have you got stories from beyond the stars? Who among you have rallied with crews and rebels from kingdoms far, far away? Give yourself a round of applause. You see, our castle here on the seas, the stories never truly end. Thusly, we must never say goodbye. Instead, we simply say, until we meet again in the next chapter. And the wonderful thing about a fairy tale wish is it must be made on a star. Any star. Which does mean you can make a wish wherever you are. However, it's time to summon the guest of honor. Raise your wands or fingers high and say bibbidi, bobbidi, boo!
Oh, my dears, the time draws near for our final wish, made loud and clear. But before we go to enchant this hall, I'll share a secret with you all. A single wish, though immense in power, can increase its beauty like a bloom. When cast together, a spell transcends. For the greatest wishes are made with friends. So raise your wands up at our star and watch its light renew. Believe the wish you wish tonight, for wishes do come true.
Oh, very well. You heard the fairy godmother. Raise your wands and fingers high and say the magical words together. Wishes do come true. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wishes do come true.
Your wish is granted.
It's true. Wishes do come true. And speaking of wishes, we couldn't possibly end this journey without bringing back a few of your fellow friends. And here they are now. My goodness, Goofy. All that's left to say is thank you all so very much. Thank you, Fairy Godmother. Now I'm sure you'll join me in showing your appreciation as we send off our friends. Thank you, Moana. Thank you, Rapunzel. Thank you, Princess Cinderella and Prince Charming. Thank you, Prince Naveen and Princess Tiana. And we must all extend our gratitude to Goofy and Pluto. And I thank you very much to Donald and Daisy Duck. And finally, to our fearless leaders, I thank you very much. One more hearty cheer for your captains, Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Until we meet again, my friends, in the next chapter. And from all of us here on the Disney Wish, to all of you traveling back to your very own kingdoms, remember, wishes, they do come true. Very well, everyone. See you